Hey guys, welcome to another video. I already recorded this video once, but the recording went wrong. I finally found a way for actually you to be able to read this list. I'm pretty sure you should be able to read it better. Um, so I'm just going to delete this information. Let's look in the script. Okay. So yeah, like I said last video, this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use variables better, like a deeper thing in variables. So what variables are they are well, they're pieces of code. They're a thing that holds information pretty much. If you code on anything else like Unity or actually I don't know if Unreal has variables. I don't ever use Unreal. So they all have variables. And with Unity you'd usually go public, then the type of thing you'd do, like we would have an int variable, and then what we want to name it, like hello world, and then we'll do this to end it off, and then we got it there, or equals, since it's an int, let's go 10. Oh, we got our variable done. And then like if let's if hello world is greater than or equal to 1, stuff like this. But this is in Unity, so to use variables instead of like we typing up public or private, we type up local because it's local. Yeah, I don't really understand why we call it local, so don't ask me that yet. I will try to figure that out. But then, once we type local, we want to name this variable. So, hello, hello world. So let's do hello world, then equals, and then the information we want to store into this. So we can shorten code by, instead of having it like game dot workspace dot ground 1 dot spawn location dot transparency equals 0. As you can see, if we hit run F, okay. Oh yeah, the code wouldn't work because we had an error. And the error is that we did not finish this statement, so let's just remove that for now. So if we hit run, yep, okay, this becomes completely visible. But if you're mentioning this a lot, like Control C, let's just say we have it like this many times, we don't want to, it starts to get a little messy and takes forever to keep writing out. So instead of continuously writing it out, we can shorten it by going local, hello, no, let's go spawn location, make it a proper name, equals, and you can just grab this, or you can type it out if you really want, like if you haven't typed it out before. Then just delete this, and there we go, we got our variable set. Now we Now, instead of having to type up all that spawn location dot transparency equals 0, and it does the exact same thing as when we didn't do that. You can see its transparency is 0, but if we stop it, we look at spawn, the transparency is 1. Which, yeah. But variables aren't just for making it easy to type out stuff like that. And, yeah. So, another example is local int1. So, we'll name it int1 and equals, let's go 5. Okay? And then it can hold ints and bools and strings. Bool is true or false statement. String is words, like letters in that. And an int is a whole number. Yeah, I'm pretty sure int is just whole number. So print int1 instead of like doing something like this, int1. Because if we do that and we press run, it's going to start thinking it's a string and it's just going to type out int1. So instead, we don't want these. We just want int1. And it will print 5, as you can see down here. So let's go back in here. And what if we want, let's print this multiple times. Control C. Let's print it 3 times. I really should stop doing that. And it printed 3 times. Just a habit. God damn it. I need to stop closing this, just pressing just pressing the X. And what if we want to add information onto this? So, int1, what if we want to add 5 plus 5? Well, we can do that. And now we have 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, what if we want to times this number? So, we would do this. I'm pretty sure I'm just going off Unity, C# things. What if we want to times it by 2? Well, we can do that. And 5 times 2 is 10. Whoa, that actually worked. I've never done timesing in this or learned that. God, C# is so great with this. Okay, and 5 times 2 is 10. What if we want to divide 10? What if we want to divide 10 by 2? Pretty sure that's divided. What if we want to divide 10 by 2? Well, we can do that. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And if we want to minus, we can do that as well. 10 minus 2 is 8. And we can just keep changing it by doing this sort of stuff. So let's do, where is it? There. God damn it. Okay. Shush. So 5 times 2, and that's just information. Okay. And we'll just, that's it. 10. Now, yeah, okay, I'm gonna remember, don't do that like I did last time. Okay, int 1. So, what if we want to be able to change this, like, while we're in here, like, if you guys know Unity, we have public variables where you can change in the Explorer area here, and we can just, like, go down here and change the number. Well, we can do that here. So, if we go in here, add attribute, and let's find, okay, number, and let's go name int 1, save. Never wanted this, so hope this works. I've just seen this before, like, while exploring through this place, so now if we go this script dot at, okay, dot int 1 dot int 1 dot, no, okay, at, okay, dot, wait, what, equals script dot attribute, okay, dot, let's go dot parent dot, no, okay, I don't know, let's just do what I do know how to do. So if we want to change in here, we know how to do that, so I'll learn about that later. Okay, but let's go into replicated storage, and we want a number, it's an int 1, so we want to add an int value. I'm going to name this int 1 equals then game dot replicated storage dot int 1 dot value. Now we can then go here, int 1. If we press run, this is going to now say 0, because in here this is 0. But now we can have it say 20 if we really want, and this now says 20. And we can do this for anything. So let's add a bool value. Now, bool 1 or boolean 1, and string value. And this is a string. So this is word, so we're going to go yellow. And this is true or false statement. So let's keep this on true. Okay. Now script, and we can just do this. Control C, V and B. Now we just gotta change this here to bool and bool. Wait, no, not bool. String. Okay, so we now have that. And print, and let's go string 1 and print bool 1. So now if we press run, it's going to print this next one. What happened? Okay. String replication game dot replicated storage bool 1 string 1. Okay. There. That should be better. Okay. So now it says 20, yellow, and true. See? All the information that's here. You can just roll to false. You press run, and 20, yellow, and false. That's all I'm going to be teaching on variables today. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. I hope you guys have a fabulous day.